Hello guys, so with this video we can start with the new lecture series, and this series is based on forces acting on a particle, and we will extend this series up to forces acting on rigid bodies. So basically, before we begin with forces, we're gonna have to we should talk about the science that deals with these sort of things, and under what sort of science that these forces comes in, right? එතකොට අපි මුලින්ම දැනගන්න ඕනේ මේ මොන ඒරියා එකද අපි මේ ටච් කරන්න යන්නේ කියලා. So මේ area එකට අපි කියනවා mechanics කියලා. We call this mechanics. Mechanics is a big area. So mechanics can be broken down to two types basically. If we are dealing with bodies in motion, මොකක් හරි අපි body එක move වෙන body එකක් අපි study කරනවා නම්, the science behind bodies in motion is called dynamics. හරි? ඒ branch එකට අපි කියනවා dynamics කියලා. So you can see that mechanics is the biggest set, and under mechanics we have two subcategories. The first category is dynamics, the second category is statics. Right. Objects in motion is studied under dynamics if the object is a solid. You are already familiar with the types of matter, solid, liquid and gas. So මේ තුන වෙන වෙනම consider කරන්න ඕනේ. හැබැයි mathematics වල අපි solids ගැන විතරයි කතා කරන්නේ, liquid gas ගැන කතා කරන්නේ. ඒවා physics වල තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන්නේ. So basically then in motion, bodies in motion, if it is solid we call it dynamics, and if it is either liquid or gas we call that branch hydrodynamics. Right. Now when we are studying objects at rest, if you are studying object at rest, that branch is called statics if the object is a solid, and we call it hydrostatics if the object is liquid or gas. So the branch that deals with objects that are at rest is studied under statics or hydrostatics. So maths වල අපි statics විතරයි කතා කරන්නේ because we are only focusing on solids. So මේක තමයි basic representation එක. So මේක ඇතුලේ අපි කතා කරනවා dynamics and statics, but in this section we will be focusing on statics part. Right? Statics part, that means object at rest. එතකොට මේ section එකේ object at rest කතා කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ dynamics ගැන අපි කතා කරන්නේ Newton's law. Right. Thank you for watching.